Hey folks, here at OS Reviews. You're watching our video review of the Mobee Smart Cable. This is the only device in Mobee's current product line that's actually geared for Android and Windows smartphones as opposed for the iOS devices. So this is the only accessory you can actually get if you have a Samsung Galaxy product from the company at the moment. The Smart Cable is a cable that automatically prevents your product from overcharging. It also doesn't tangle around. It's crafted out of aluminum, so it has a great construction quality, and it's essentially a micro USB cable with a traditional USB tip on the other side for charging, for syncing. It's going to work with any product, again, with a micro USB tip, from Bluetooth products to adapters, power banks, to smartphones. And it's going to retail for $15 from the manufacturer's website, which is not very expensive at all. It's compact and also pretty easy to use, and it comes in a scheme of green and black, which are the colors from Mobee. So it's a kind of interesting look in terms of the visual presentation. So there's a window in the front you can open up to see how it's presented, and you can see the length of the actual unit is quite long. You can remove everything from the packaging. And we have a pretty useful, versatile micro USB smart charging cable. It's not, incredibly smart in the sense that it doesn't have inductive charging or any of the fancy tricks that Mobee's other products do have. Taking a closer look at the design of the cable, we have a solid soft touch material on the sides, and then the Mobee logo is crafted out of aluminum, so it feels really nicely crafted when you're using it and holding it. The other side houses the actual USB tip. It's also crafted out of aluminum, so it has a really solid feel. This is a cable that's probably going to last you a long, long time. As far as charging speeds are concerned, the smart charging cable is pretty fast and speedy, but it's not USB 3.0 by any means. So fully charging a Galaxy S5 smartphone took us about 2 hours to complete, and that was about the same benchmarks with other Android phones and Windows devices. Charging larger tablets took about 2.5 to 3 hours to complete, depending on the screen size, and that's also pretty appropriate. So a good speed can be used, and the syncing also works with any Mac smartphone over here. And I would simply pop this into the other side. It has a pretty secure and tight fit. You can see it works automatically, and the charging has been initiated. It's automatically going to stop charging to prevent any overcharging or overheating as well when the battery on the unit itself is full. So it's pretty nice functionality, and it works relatively nicely. So all in all, I would say that the Mobee Smart Cable is a worthwhile accessory if you're looking for something to replace your current micro USB cable, because it has a flat design that prevents any tangling from happening. It's easy to take with you when you're traveling, and it's very, very well constructed. You can learn more about this unit in our full RIN review, but this has been our video. Thanks for watching here at OS Reviews.